And now, veterinarian's hospital. The continuing story of the former orthopedic surgeon who's gone to the dogs. Anesthetic, Dr. Bob. Oh, is this operation really necessary? Ah. Scalpel. No, suture. Dr. Bob. Suture, there. Scalpel, Dr. Bob. Ah. How long have you been a nurse? What time is it? Dr. Bob, your hand is shaking. What's the trouble? It's my nerves. I'm overworked and underpaid. This is my 10th operation and the hours are interminable. Yes, we must get on with this operation. This man has a bad case of hiccups. It must be gas. Oh, he's in bad shape. He's in bad shape? What about me? Doesn't anybody ever think about me? Oh, we're losing time, Dr. So I am losing my mind. Day and day is the same routine. Oh, but I left my ears that my wife is leaving. I've been sued for malpractice. And all you can say is, but Dr. Bob, I'm telling you, I'm so in it, I'm going to explode. Oh, sorry, I was loud. So Dr. Bob has been gone to pieces, and so is his patient. And next thing you know, hear the nurses say, Dr. Bob, you got to pull yourself together. I'll try, not you, him. I better quit when I'm ahead.